Hi everybody, Eugene here with Darkroom Software. In this spooktacular episode, we are going to learn where we can get some new templates, some of them are free, how to organize our templates just a little bit better, and how to back them up. So just in case something horrible happens, you have a backup plan. Let's go ahead and jump right in and get started. First thing we're going to do is go to our web browser and go to darkroomtemplates.com. And there's a search button right here, and you could type in a specific type of template that you're looking for, or you can browse the different templates. We're looking for one for Halloween, so we'll type in Halloween, and there is one right here for $0.00. I'm going to go ahead and add that to the cart and then check out. And I'll continue and fill out my personal information, continue, and place order. And it'll give me an option to download the templates. I'm going to click go to downloads and then scroll down right down here. I should have a zip file that I can download, and I'm going to go ahead and open that up. So now we have some templates downloaded to our computer in a zip folder. Let's go ahead and extract all. And next, this is where the organization comes in. There's a few different ways that you can do it. You can go to your X drive and then copy them into booth templates right here, and they would all show up within the, your normal templates. We're going to do this a little bit different way this time. We're going to go into booth and go to global settings, and then under booth templates right here, I'm going to add a new group. And add my templates from the folder in my desktop there. Let's see. And what that's going to do is it's going to help keep everything a little bit more organized. So if I have my holiday templates in one group, or my wedding templates in another group, it makes it a little bit easier to find things. So if I click right here, these are all the normal templates that would typically come with the software. And then for me, I have my demo templates where I'm building a demo, and then I have a few other groups. But we're working with Halloween, so let's click back to events, and we're going to see how we can now view those and edit those templates. So in this top left corner, this is actually a little drop down menu. We can select Halloween, and there are the new templates that we just added, and we're seeing only those templates. So it's a little bit better way to stay organized. One thing I'm going to bring up real quick is right here we're using 2023. If you double click on it, you'll see that the year is in percents, is surrounded by percent signs, and that's one of the special text options from here that would autofill. So whenever the year updates, it'll update inside the template. And you can also use the date options. Let's say you have a wedding template, you could put in the date and time, and you can reuse that template without having to update the date and time. So I just kind of want to go over some of the special text options. We'll go ahead and save and select that template and then choose. And it's going to ask us to update to match the number of photos, so it's automatically going to take 2 photos. If I choose a template with 3 photos, because I have match output set here, it's going to automatically update with 3 photos. And where this comes in really helpful is when you're using the print alternate option. So let's say I want this to be my primary print, but then I also want an option where they can choose. Now you can see the menu moved to the bottom here. A single image print, it would automatically update whenever they selected that single image print and only take 1 photo. So the third thing that we're going to cover is going to be backing up your templates. So if you're buying templates, modifying, you're putting a lot of time and money and effort into your templates, and the last thing that you want to do is lose all of those templates with a catastrophic computer failure. So let's say your computer falls off a cliff and breaks apart in a million pieces. If you go into your X drive, there are two folders that we're concerned about here for templates. It's going to be booth screens and booth templates. You can copy those to an external drive or another computer and have a backup copy of all of your templates. And in the case of a failure, you just replace these two files on a newly installed system and you're fine. One other small thing I'm going to show you, we added that new group for Halloween, so now when we go into our booth templates, you'll see there's a new folder. You can also create a folder. Let's say I had a folder of Christmas templates. I can drag the whole folder in here and it'll show up as a group in Darkroom. So the folder structure will match the group structure in Darkroom. I thought that would be helpful. It's not too spooky today. This is all fun stuff. Check out those templates. They're free to download. Go to darkroomtemplates.com. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.